I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com. Every professional trader that I know uses volume weighted average price. It's not really that well known among retail traders, but it's a key indicator that really helps you. Look, if you're sitting there trading and you're wondering like, I wonder what the institutions are doing today. I wonder if they're buying or selling this stock. Oh, this stock's falling. I wonder if there's going to be some buying interest or if it's just going to keep going, or if it's, if it's rising. I wonder if this is a good time to buy it or if it's gone too far. These are all the questions that swing traders ask, as well as day traders. It doesn't matter if your typical holding period is 5 minutes or 5 days or 5 weeks. You need to know what VWAP is. And this is why, because when you're buying or selling a stock at the VWAP, that is seen as the fair price. If you're buying it above, you're paying too much. If you're selling it below, you're selling it for too little. These are the things that desk traders use to see whether they're going to get a good deal or not. And the thing is, as a retail trader, as a guy, you're just trading your own money, you want to know what these big guys are doing, because then you can trade along with it. Now, I've taught VWAP along with pivot points as a great day trading combination of tools to make money just about every day. Whenever you want to go in and trade big extremes or any stocks that are moving, you can use VWAP and pivot points in order to do it. But here's the deal. A lot of people and a lot of our members, you guys aren't day traders. You don't want to be day traders. You already have a full-time job. You already have a daytime job. Morning comes, opening bell, you got crap to do. You can't sit there and stare at the screen all day trying to make a nickel or a dime or a quarter or whatever per share of stock. You like to swing trade or maybe even use longer term trading. Well, there's good news and bad news. The bad news is VWAP isn't really going to work for you. So if all you're interested in is swing trading, the VWAP that I'm teaching you, it'll help you with your entries, because it doesn't matter if you are, an investor who holds stocks for 10 years or whether you're going to hold it for 10 minutes. Whenever you buy the stock, it's a day trade, man. I mean, that's when you're buying the stock. What's your time? What's your price? But if you were a longer term trader, you're only going to get limited value from my VWAP material. But here's the thing. My sidekick, Scott McGregor, is teaching what's called anchored VWAP. It's a way to use volume weighted average price for swing trading. And this is really cool. I didn't even really know about this. Scott just talked to me about it about 3 weeks ago, and he goes, "Hey, have you ever heard of anchored VWAP?" And I said, "No." And so we talked about it, and I said, "Hey, why don't we teach a class on this? This will be really cool. I can teach the day trading aspect of it, and you can teach anchored VWAP for swing traders." It's the same type of deal. This class will tell you where the hidden pockets of buying and the hidden pockets of selling are. This is the kind of stuff that you really need if you're going to trade with precision. And it goes way beyond moving averages and stuff like that. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're putting a lot of time into it. And I promise you, this will be worth your time spent 1,000 times over. Okay, so I'll see you there.